right over there. He's right there. He's not born. I guarantee you what he's gonna do. He's been straight down in his bottom. Little creek. And I heard splashing. It woke me up. And there was a coyote sitting there, and I pulled up. And I filled him full of lead. My dad was like, "What'd you shoot coyote for? It's 7:30 in the morning." I said, "Man, coyote walks out. It turned into a coyote hunt." Like, no.
Especially down the road. They're stupid anyway. If they're gonna come in, they're gonna come in.
Well, it ain't gonna hurt nothing if you shoot one. And then just stay sitting down. You ain't gotta get down. Just shoot it and let it lay and keep up. My only piece of advice about doing an owl hoot, which I mean, if you can get them shot gobbling, no matter what you sound like, just try not to get too high pitched. Because remember them owls that were down there in that holler a couple weeks ago? You didn't hear how deep they were? Yeah, you just don't want to get too high.
That was freaking awesome. When those owls were talking back and forth.
Boys, let's out of here. Let's go find a turkey. We are. That's a bug. Yeah, but he's got filament. Big filament. That's a big bug.
So, I don't know how much you saw this morning, but this morning we went to our piece of private land and we had about 4 or 5 different birds gobbling on the roost. Well, like the usual, they hit the ground and they shut up. So we did some walking around, said if we couldn't strike one, never struck one. So now we are out at a piece of public. We're going to see if we can't get one struck up or hopefully at least find one. Not hear one, but yep, we'll keep you on check.
sees that, he's gonna come in.
We can either do that, or we're gonna try to pull him in the woods. I don't know.
I doubt he'd come in that thick.
Well, there's a hazard. I think. Let me go get
Well, that's
that.
true. Okay, yeah.
Let me go get
Yeah,
that.
go ahead. Go. They're getting fired up.
So, y'all are probably wondering what the heck just happened, and that is completely on me. I didn't charge the battery all the way up on the camera the night before and ended up dying midway through that hunt. But what ended up happening was the bird gobbled 100 more times after that. He ended up being locked up with a bunch of hens, and they pulled him right onto some private land, and that was the end of that story. But I appreciate you guys for watching, and you know, for y'all that have been with us through this whole turkey season, we really appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for these summer videos. We have a ton coming out, from scouting, hanging stands, a little bit of trout fishing in there, food plots, the whole 9 yards. We're also getting started into some podcast stuff, so that'll be fun. So appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see y'all on the next one.